I'm going to show you how to set up the schedule and settings on a Pentair and Inteliflo pump. Stick with me on this video. I see the watch hours on the videos. I know you guys like to fast forward through, but if you really want to learn about the Pentair and Inteliflo and how to set it up, please watch the whole video from start to finish, and these are really all you need to know about your pump. I filmed this 3 different times, and this one had the best outcome. Make sure you turn your brightness all the way up, and you'll be able to follow along with me on the audio. This schedule will make most people happy. It's a schedule that has both money saving and it's a high speed to clean your pool. You can just set up your schedule to run 24 hours at a very low speed, and it'll do the same thing and you'll save money. Go on Pentair or your manufacturer's website, type in the pump, and it'll tell you exactly how much money you can save. Stick around to the end and I will show you the pool and the equipment that we're dealing with. How to set up a schedule on your Inteliflo pump. These right here, the 1 through 4, we should set them up so they're easy and quick to hit buttons. We should make it simple so everyone can understand it. 1 should be 1 hour, 2 should be 2 hours, 3 should be 3 hours, 4 should be 4 hours. Easy buttons to click on. Your quick clean right here is a button that you're going to press if that pump needs to run after schedule, or you just need to bump it up to a high gear so the vacuum in the pool can work its way around the pool and clean it up before the pool party or whatever we need it for. So to start how we would do the schedule and set up our Inteliflo pump, let's get into it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure your start stop is always off right here. This needs to always be off before we do anything. This LED light should not be on. Going to press menu. See, we are in settings. We're going to press down. We're going to see speeds 1 through 8. Press select. So anytime we're trying to select something, go into a different thing, we're going to press select. Once we want to enter those settings, we're going to press save. Some pumps will say enter. We're going to select speed 1, select. See, it's in schedule. We're going to press select on schedule. We're going to go down to egg timer, press save. It's going to be at 3,000 RPMs. We want all of these to be at a high speed because it's something that we're going to click on when we want to use the pool. See, it says 10 minutes. We're going to go over here. We're going to make it 1 hour and 10 minutes. Press save. And then we're going to go back, go to speed 2. See, it says schedule. And press select. We're going to go down to egg timer, save. Press down, 2,500 RPMs. We're going to go ahead and make that speed as high as we can, save. See, it says 10 minutes. We're going to make this say 2 hours and 10 minutes because it's the 2. Press save, go back, go to speed 3, schedule. You're going to press select. You can say egg timer, save. 1,050 RPMs. We're going to make this go all the way up. Save. We're going to make this 3 hours. Save. Going to go to speed 4. Select. It's on egg timer already. 3,110 RPMs, but it's 10 minutes. We're going to make that 4 hours. Save. Now there's speeds 5, 6, 7, and 8 in the board here that no one can mess with. So we always want to put our schedules on those that are on the back end of our board so that if anyone comes up here and presses any of these, it's not going to mess up our schedule and cause any issues. So we're going to go, we're going to save. Whoop. We already saved it. That's why it was a key error. If you press any button and you get that key error message, it's no big deal. Just figure out which one you should be pressing and press it. Press select on speed 5. We're disabled. We're going to go ahead and select that. Put it into schedule. Save. Now it's 750 RPMs. Do 3,000 RPMs. Save. Now, with my schedules, especially if it's a pool that I'm servicing early in the morning, I want it to start as early as possible. That's not going to wake anyone up. And then it can go on and it can start churning the pool before we show up. So we'll go from 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. on the high speed. So 6:30 to 10. I'm gonna go speed 6. Press select. Schedule. Save. Throughout the day, I will go at a lower speed. So 2400 RPMs. So we're at 2400 RPMs. And we want it to start at 10. It's okay if our speed ended at 10:01. It's always going to override into the schedule depending on which speed has the higher speed. So this will not start until that speed 5 has ended completely. Let's go 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So that's early morning. We're getting 3.5 hours of it churning up the pool. Then we have 7 hours at the lower speed so we can save electricity. And then it's going to click off at 5. We're going to go to speed 7. Press select. It's disabled. Put in schedule. Save. And we're going to give it one last high speed to end out the day, so it can churn the pool once more before nighttime. Now you can set up your schedules different. Every pool has a different use case. So for me to tell you exactly how to set up your pool, I would need to know what you got going on with your pool. So we're going to start it at 5. And we're going to go till 9 p.m. Okay, before we get out of this, and stick around to the end and I will show you the pool and the equipment that we're dealing with. So if your pool is similar, you can set it up like this. So now that we got that, we're going to go back. We're going to press menu again. We're going to go to features. We're going to press select. Now your timeout is up right here. The timeout is going to be, if you engage that, it's going to come on. If you engage the timeout and the pump isn't running but the start stop's on, then it won't run until for 3 hours and then it'll come on. Or if the pump isn't running, the timeout can do the exact opposite. So that's plenty of time. We're going to go into quick clean, 3450, and it's set for 10 minutes. Thing about quick clean is if we're going to run the quick clean, we want it to run as long as possible so it actually can quick clean the pool. So we're going to put it on 10 hours. You might think, wow, that's a long time. I don't want to run it for 10 hours. Well, we have 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and 4 hours, as well as 10 hours. So you have every option in the world as to what you want to do with your pool. So now, if all the settings are correct, everything's good. We do want to check our time. Time is going to be in settings. The first thing you see when you click on menu, you see date and time. Press select. There's our date. And then there's our time, which it is correct. If it's 5 or 10 minutes off, don't worry about it. It's totally cool. Alright, so now when we press this start stop button, if all of our settings are correct, the pump should engage and turn on. And voila! They have one of these here. These work great for cover for these pumps, but unfortunately with the cord, that's the best we can do. They have a quad filter. This is what we're dealing with. This is exactly why we have the quick clean at 10 hours. So if that ever gets engaged, they want to clean it outside of our service time, they can press that button. This vacuum will go around at high speed for 10 hours and clean the entire pool. And then after that's done, should be good to go, ready for the pool party. Hopefully this helped you all. If you guys need any other tips or tricks, be sure to let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching our video. I'm Spencer. This is Bowie. There's a new video for you to watch right here. Please subscribe right here. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section below. Like the video.